In this question, you have to identify the roots that originate from the base of the stem. Option A, prop roots. This is incorrect because prop roots arise from the aerial parts of the plant, say from the branches or stem, and grow downwards to provide the additional support to the plant. For example, the roots that are seen in the banyan trees. Option B, lateral roots. It is also incorrect. Now, lateral roots branch off from the primary root and spread out horizontally, and they do not originate from the base of the stem. Option C, fibrous roots. Now, fibrous roots are a type of root system where roots emerge from the base of the stem and form a dense network. And this type of root system is seen in monocots, for example, grasses and wheat. Hence, it is the correct option. Option D, primary roots. It is also incorrect because primary root is the first root that emerges during the seed germination, and it develops from the radicle and grows directly downward and not from the base of the stem.